date is the 14th of October 2020. Here's almost there again.
Tilkonmäenkatu 3 staircase A.
B.
Yeah.
This is staircase B. Oh. It's Peltolammi. It's close to Multisilta in Tampere. One of the spurs of Tampere down was 8 floors. It's built in 1972 by ValmetSchlieren. Turning 50 years old in 2022 when it will be inspected. It's got 8 floors. The serial number is VS 2787. Someone is coming.
Yeah.
But they cannot. It's got a simple memory.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's just irritating when they're coming.
Yeah. Inspectant maintain Peltolammi descriptions.
Yeah, they couldn't afford to have a more expensive maintenance here.
Yeah.
But still working fine.
Yeah.
And I think that, as we said before, when now this is maintaining, it's more likely to still stay original a longer time. Impressive. So it's actually even better, even though the maintenance is worse. But in the sense that they keep it original, it's even better sometimes.
That's